Hi everybody, Devin Devine here, your trusty dusty, handy dandy, friendly neighborhood stone guy. So what we're doing here is we're trying out a new set of feather and plugs. And by new set, I mean new style, for me anyway. If you can see these, how that goes together with the ring holding it, this coming in, splitting it anyway. You can see that's a bit different from the style that I'm used to. Same concept, the pin goes in, causes that to flare out anyway. Feather and plugs. Plugs situated, fairly straight line, every 4 inches. I'm taking my time. This is an 11-inch thick boulder and a fairly hard type of stone. There we go. Wow. I didn't expect this to break so quick. Just yesterday it's off camera, but just yesterday we were splitting another boulder, same size, same thickness, same type of material, and I was also 4 inches apart. I don't know if you heard that snap. This is already broken. But yeah, it didn't take forever, but it took a little bit longer than that, and I actually had to pause, and I felt inclined to pause and wait a minute, which sometimes you want to do if you're working with a larger stone. So now you can see the plug a little bit better. Not endorsing any particular manufacturer, so I don't need to list names, but this is what that plug looks like. And yeah, that went quick and smooth. That's a nicely split boulder.